Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we are gonna learn how to log out Family Island of Facebook. If you're logged into your Family Island account with Facebook and now you've changed your mind and you'd like to sign out of Facebook and unlink with it, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your Family Island application from your app drawer and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. Once you're in, tap on the menu button at the top right hand corner and then tap on the gear icon from the list. From the settings menu, tap on My Accounts. Now, in this page, you will be able to see this sign out button in one of the accounts that you're connected with. If you're logged in with your Facebook, then you will be able to see the sign out button right next to the Facebook logo. To sign out or disconnect Family Island with Facebook, tap on the Facebook sign out button in blue and then tap on OK in the pop-up. If you are trying to log out of your Facebook account, then your progress won't be saved with the game. So if you are sure you want to log out, tap on OK, and that way you should be able to log out of your Family Island account and disconnect from Facebook. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.